Hi and welcome to Upschool. In this video, we will discuss about carbon neutral manufacturing, a critical aspect of the future of industry and sustainability. We will explore how manufacturers can dramatically reduce their carbon emissions and balance their carbon footprint through innovative technologies and practices. So let's get started. First things first. What exactly is carbon neutral manufacturing? It is the process by which manufacturers balance out the carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gas emissions they generate during production, with actions that remove or offset an equivalent amount of CO2 from the atmosphere. In other words, the goal is to reduce emissions as much as possible and compensate for what remains. Achieving carbon neutrality means no net increase in atmospheric carbon from a manufacturing operation. This is critical as industries contribute significantly to emissions, and reducing their impact is key to mitigating climate change. Why does carbon neutral manufacturing matter? The manufacturing sector is one of the biggest contributors to global greenhouse gas emissions. Around 20 to 30 of the total emissions worldwide come from industrial production. With climate change becoming an increasingly urgent issue, shifting towards carbon neutral practices can help reduce the negative impact of these industries. On top of environmental benefits, carbon neutral manufacturing is also important for businesses for several reasons. First is government regulations. Governments around the world are tightening regulations. Failure to comply could result in fines and sanctions. Second is consumer demand. Consumers are becoming more eco-conscious and many prefer to purchase products from brands that prioritize sustainability. This trend is growing. The third is operational cost savings. Implementing energy efficient technologies often leads to longer term savings on energy bills, reducing the overall cost of production. By reducing emissions and becoming carbon neutral, companies not only help the planet, they also improve their own bottom line. Achieving carbon neutrality is a multi-step process. Let's break it down. Step 1 is energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is the first line of defense in reducing carbon emissions. Manufacturers can optimize their operations by upgrading machinery, improving lighting systems, and streamlining production lines to consume less energy. For example, LED lighting, energy efficient motors, and advanced HVAC systems can significantly reduce energy consumption. Factories can also use smart energy management systems to monitor and reduce energy usage in real time. Step 2 is transitioning to renewable energy. Manufacturers can switch to renewable energy sources. This means moving away from fossil fuels and embracing cleaner alternatives like solar and hydropower. Some large factories are installing solar panels on their rooftops or committing to purchase green energy from the grid. For example, Tesla's Gigafactory runs primarily on renewable energy, helping the company reduce its operational carbon footprint. Step 3 is sustainable material sourcing. Another key strategy is sourcing sustainable materials. Using materials that are recycled, biodegradable, or sustainably harvested helps reduce the carbon emissions involved in material extraction, transportation, and processing. For instance, many manufacturers in the automotive industry now use recycled aluminium and other materials to reduce their environmental impact. Step 4. Carbon capture and storage. Sometimes it's impossible to eliminate all emissions. In these cases, carbon capture and storage technologies come into play. These systems capture CO2 directly from the manufacturing process before its release into the atmosphere. While still an emerging technology, some cement and steel plants are already utilizing CCS to reduce their emissions by as much as 90%. Step 5 is carbon offsetting. Finally, for emissions that can't be avoided or captured, carbon offsetting is essential. This involves investing in projects that help absorb or prevent an equivalent amount of CO2 from entering the atmosphere. Offset projects include tree planting, reforestation efforts, and supporting renewable energy projects around the world. Many companies like Microsoft pledged to not only reduce their emissions but also offset more carbon than they emit. While achieving carbon neutrality is incredibly important, there are several challenges along the way. First is high initial costs. Many of the technologies involved in carbon neutral manufacturing, like renewable energy infrastructure, energy efficient machinery, and carbon capture systems, require significant initial investment. However, in the long run, these technologies lead to operational cost savings. Second is technological limitations. Some industries like cement and steel face significant challenges in reducing emissions due to the chemical processes involved. Finding solutions to decarbonize these remains a tough task. Third is supply chain complexity. Manufacturers rely on complex global supply chains. Ensuring carbon neutrality across the entire supply chain, including suppliers and logistics, can be a daunting task. Fourth is measurement and verification. Accurately measuring emissions, especially in large-scale operations, and verifying offset projections can be difficult. This requires precise data collection. Looking ahead, the future of carbon neutral manufacturing looks promising. As renewable energy technologies become more affordable, manufacturing processes will continue to evolve towards sustainability. Innovations such as AI-driven production systems, energy storage, and digital twins, virtual models that simulate factory operations, will help manufacturers optimize their processes for maximum energy efficiency. Additionally, industries like aerospace and automotive are already investing heavily in electric manufacturing technologies and zero-emission productions. The transition to a circular economy where waste is minimized and products are reused will also play a critical role in carbon neutral manufacturing. To wrap up, carbon neutral manufacturing is no longer a distant dream. It is a critical step towards a more sustainable future. By reducing emissions, adopting renewable energy, and offsetting carbon, manufacturers can contribute to a cleaner planet and a more sustainable economy. If If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this lecture. Comment below if you have any thoughts or questions on carbon neutral manufacturing. Let us continue the conversation and work together to build a greener future. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next